I'm Kelly Warner. We hear a lot about the importance of immunizations for infants and children, but let's not forget about teens. Teenagers and young adults are at risk for a number of vaccine-preventable diseases, including meningitis B and HPV. During well checkups, pediatrician Dr. Pilar Bradshaw talks often with parents of young children about the importance of vaccinations. But regular checkups, she says, are just as important for teenagers.
Teenagers actually need an annual exam. I think it's the most important phase of life. So many things are changing for them physically and emotionally, and they have a lot of big thoughts in their heads.
Dr. Bradshaw encourages parents to make sure their teens are up to date on their immunizations, including the meningococcal B vaccine. Meningococcal disease can be deadly, and it's easy for infections to spread in crowded dorms or in enclosed areas where young people gather.
Now it's recommended for all college-bound kids or military-bound, any kid that's leaving high school and going to an institutional type setting where they're going to be living and going to school or being around people. They need that shot.
She also strongly encourages teens to be vaccinated against human papillomavirus, or HPV. It's the most common sexually transmitted infection in the United States, which causes virtually all cervical cancer, as well as other types of cancer for both women and men. The Advisory Committee on Immunization Practices now says that girls and boys who start the HPV vaccine before age 15 only require 2 doses instead of 3 doses for older teens.
I was one of the pediatricians that used to say, put it off till it's closer to their window when they need it. But it's kind of nice to know you could save your kid a poke if you start before they turn 15.
Since the introduction of the HPV vaccine in 2006, the Centers for Disease Control reports that cervical cancer cases in the United States have dropped by nearly 2/3. While it's easy for teenagers and adults to put off seeing their doctor once a year, annual exams help prevent costly and dangerous health problems before they start. For more information on recommended vaccines for teens, head to eugenepeds.com/healthykids. I'm Kelly Warner.